Hey there, beauty hackers! Wondering what to do with those extra sponges you have lying around? We'll plunge into these hacks for all the fun and creative ways you can use sponges. Hack 1. Glitter Polish Fix. Trouble applying glitter nail polish? Add liquid latex around your nails. Let it dry. Now paint your glitter polish onto a sponge. Add a thick layer and stamp it onto your nails. Peel away the latex and add your top coat. Glitter nails made easy. Hack 2. Clean beauty blenders. Are your beauty blenders dirty? Let's clean those bad boys. Drop them into a bowl and cover them with dish soap, baking soda, and water. Let them soak for 5 hours. Now wring them out. Wow, what a before and after! Your beauty blenders are good as new. Hack 3. Beauty blender trick. Ow! Is your beauty blender too big? Take a small hair tie and tie it around the tip of your blender. This is great for hard-to-reach areas. A precision blender with a perfect blend. Hack 4. Custom Foundation Compact. Foundation looking uneven? Cake face is not your friend. Let's fix that. Take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of foundation. Mix them together and add it to a container with a sponge. Now, apply for streak-free foundation. Blended blissfully. Hack 5. Glitter Polish Remover. Glitter polish just not budging? We've got a fix for that. Cut a hole in a sponge and add nail polish remover. Dip in your nails and rub them against the sponge. Easily glitter-free and totally clean. Hack 6. Wacky Hair Pattern. Want to get creative with your hair? Add stripes of paint onto a sponge and simply stamp them onto your hair. Cute, creative, and didn't cost you a penny. Hack 7. DIY Toe Separators. Yikes! Need steadier hands for that at-home pedicure? Cut off the sides of a large sponge. And chop it into chunks. Now wedge the chunks between your toes and paint your nails like usual. Your DIY toe separators will make it a snap, just like the salon. You've got the perfect pedi. Well, there you have it, lovelies. We hope you were just as absorbed by these sponge hacks as we were.